We are leaving that dream to pursue another dream, which we've always talked about since we met 10 years ago.
Dreams are a great test because a dream is going to test your resolve. A real dream is something that not only hangs on to you, but you will hang on to it.
And I've just never really been able to shake that love.
And it allows us to get over our fear and to go forward no matter what obstacles are thrown in our path.
We're not going to let that
get in our way, no, of course not.
Minor things like
exactly,
that.
Exactly.
But in this COVID world, it's very awkward and hard to do what we're doing.
You are now looking upon the horizon, the roads forking, and you think to yourself, this is a world filled with possibility. And I am steeled and ready for the challenge that lay before me. Now what? I am the captain of my own ship, and I will write this story.
There were times a few months ago when I lost my job, when it was hard to be hopeful. Some days were really dark, and I definitely hit a low point. It was difficult in the moment to see the future possibilities.
Think about a time in your life that felt like a low point at the moment, but actually changed everything for you.
Maya Angelou used to say to me all the time, baby, God put a rainbow in the cloud. There have been many times when you're on the ground and you're going to fly somewhere. This is my favorite moment in life, that when it's really dark and dreary on the ground, and then you get in the plane, and within 3 minutes you shoot above the clouds and you see the sun was always there.
Well, a couple weeks ago, we dropped a video that said we were leaving China. Asked you guys to help us with where we should go on our next adventure and next phase of our lives.
And you had some really good suggestions.
Yeah, some great suggestions.
And we read them all. Thank you.
Yeah, we like the Australia, New Zealand, Philippines, Indonesia. I think
Fiji?
Fiji.
Oh, I love Fiji.
I think you're getting the idea of the kinds of places that we definitely want to live in. How can we incorporate all of them as part of our plan, because we like all of them?
I know, and we just had to get really creative, right?
Yes.
We are announcing here, I think at the Qingdao Marina, is an appropriate place to bring our viewers, our friends and family, this information.
We are in the process of buying a sailboat.
A sailboat! Yay!
And our plan is to get on that sailboat and circumnavigate the world. But we have one little issue. We don't know how to sail yet.
We're not going to let that
get in our way, no. Of course not.
Minor things like that.
Exactly.
And
teach a monkey to sail.
Okay.
Okay. Hiring a skipper for a couple of weeks or a week is going to be all you need. What are the chances of you actually sinking the boat? And that risk is very, very small.
Fear is what prevents us from doing so many things. And you guys have really encouraged us.
When you get a boat, send me a picture of you guys on it.
We're shopping for a boat, which we're in the process. But in this COVID world, it's very awkward and hard to do what we're doing, because just like a house, the boat has to be inspected before you buy it.
We'd like to see it too, and the country is closed where it is currently, so we can't see it yet.
Ever since I was in the 4th grade, I've really wanted to sail around the world. I read a book called Dove, and it was about a gentleman who was the youngest male to circumnavigate, and I've just never really been able to shake that love. And then I think it was rekindled when I met my sweetie. She's so adventurous, and then YouTube, watching other people do it, we just figured, you know, we need to do this.
And you're probably asking, well, how long are you going to do this? We don't know. We are going to see how it goes.
Yep.
And the good news about sailing and this adventure is that we don't have to put a timestamp on it.
But we are going into this eyes wide open. We do realize that everything on the water is twice as hard. The marine environment.
Twice as expensive.
Twice as expensive.
Takes twice as long.
Yeah.
We've got a lot to do. We're going to be really busy.
But that's part of the fun, isn't it?
Yeah,
is
that
learning
is.
new skills.
Yeah, and huge shout out to Sailing Zatara and Gone with the Winds. Lots of couples and families out on the water that have inspired us to
We
pursue
appreciate
this.
that, guys.
We appreciate it, and we're really grateful that they've shared their stories with us, and we're going to share our stories with you, and we hope that we can inspire some of you to make the jump like we have.
And if you don't, just live vicariously through us.
We also want to inspire you to pursue your dreams, and while it might be scary and it might be something that creates a lot of challenges for you, it also helps you to grow and learn, and that's something that's really important.
Now, what are we going to call the boat?
The boat is going to be called Sailing Vessel Blown Away.
Our new education is getting ready to happen, learning all new things.
Learn from each opportunity that you have. Let no opportunity be too small for your time, and let no opportunity be too big for your possibilities.
We hope you'll stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you will keep following us and our adventure as it unfolds. We'll keep you posted.
And please leave some comments, okay? Thanks a lot, guys.
Thanks for watching.